Welcome back to my channel. Jamaican Kim here. So guys, I am so excited to do this reaction. I'm going to be reacting to Vanny Vabiola. She did this cover up song from Mariah Carey, Without You, and that is one of my favorite songs of all time. So I am excited to see her own little twist to this song, her own little spice, because you know Vanny always come out with her beautiful voice. Yes guys, so let's jump on into this reaction video. Stay tuned.
No, I can't forget this feeling or your face as you were leaving, but I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but it was your shoulder shows. Yes, it shows. No, I can't forget tomorrow when I think of all my sorrow. When I had you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know what you should know. I can't live, living is without you. I can't live, I can't give anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't give, I can't give anymore. No, I can't forget this feeling or all the faces you were living, but I guess it's just
Oh my god guys, Vanny's voice is so beautiful. I love how she just put her own little twist on it, and that high pitch. Oh my god, you got to love you some Vanny, I'm telling you. Beautiful, beautiful voice, and that is one of my favorite songs, so I know I would enjoy this video.
ways the story goes. You always smile, but in eyes your shoulder shows. Yes, it shows. I can't live if living is without you. I can't live, I can't give anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't give, I can't give
Oh my god, so that was Vanny Vabiola, Without You. Guys, she mastered that song. Yes, that's Vanny Vabiola. she did the cover up from Mariah Carey songs, Without You. She took control of that song, guys. I absolutely love it. Every cover up that Vanny does, it always come out beautiful, and she does put her own little touch on it. I really enjoy that, and I hope you guys all enjoy that also. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, turn on those post notification bell so you're updated whenever I drop another video, and stay tuned. Bye.